Ella está por mí y por ti borró. Y eso que tú tienes todo y yo ni un kiki. Ella está por mí y por ti borró. Y eso que tú tienes todo y yo ni un kiki. Tu red en un meme, toda la vaina con de todo. Vive en un casón.
What are you, fucking cock? You hear me, Black? Huh?
Please, not now. Please. I'm in my study.
Some gay shit, you. I don't get in this shit. They got your plaque, nigga. You're the one that's gonna be like, oh, look at this nigga, he's gay.
John, this is a delicate
He was at
matter.
7-Eleven, he's gay. 4 niggas in the car. Foggy. Fucking moving. Fuck.
Why you have to be so myopic? Like, really?
What the fuck is that? Myopic.
That was a vocab word senior year.
He said myopic.
Well, that's smart. What does it mean?
You wanna hear something smart? You wanna hear some?
Single-minded.
You guys wanna hear something smart?
Single mind. What do you mean?
This matter is so delicate. It could have repercussions that could reverberate for your entire life forever.
Yourself.
Now that was smart.
Myopic.
Yeah, you're fucking myopic.
Holy shit, that's fucking fresh.
Just a crock of garbage.
You're myopic, nigga. Myopic, nigga. Shut up, myopic.
What does myopic mean?
Fuck. You know those farts where you think you're gonna fart and all of a sudden.
Ah, shit! He took a crap.
Oh shit!
Diarrhea?
Ow!
Mud butt.
That's a mud butt, nigga. Wait, is it a mud butt or a turtle head?
Mud butt.
What's a turtle head?
Turtle head is when it's about to come out, but you know how you see the turtle head, it just comes out. Like,
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Nah,
turtle head.
And it hurts because you suck it back in.
Yeah.
That's the turtle head, my
Fucking
nigga.
turtle.
Mud butt is like when you like you just jizz, but from your ass, like just shit. You know what I'm saying? It just goes on your pants. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my
god. Any other statement after this, after me, any other statement is completely bullshit.
That's bullshit, nigga. You just
Alan
bullshit right
straight. I said that one. I said those like those.
Alan has a big penis.
And that one too, cause he be lying too. He lying.
Alan sucks pussy.
And he has
He lied too.
big, humongous balls.
Alan likes women.
Those are one of those lies that they're telling right now. But watch now, starting now.
Alan likes
Bullshit.
skinny men.
Bullshit. I like fat men. Stupid.
what a fact.
Something to you people that don't know geometry. A circle has a circumference of circular circumstances circulating through the circulatory system. If you have a circle and it circumstances through the whole circumference / radius of the whole figure circle.
Nigga, the diameter is the whole thing. Why would you say radius?
Circumference.
Okay.
Circumference. You can get the area and the perimeter of a polygon, but it's not a polygon. That's the thing.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Act normal.
Act no. That ain't that normal, okay?
I'm back. Alright, so I was
Wait. Take a drink of the almond palmer. Nobody wants to see the fucking bubblicious shit.
Oh, I'm down. Bubblicious.
I'll take one.
Hold on. Yo,
let me get that
wait. I have another one.
Can I have some?
The guy in 7-Eleven, he was like, I told him we were taping, right? And he was telling me to put this whole thing in my mouth. So, for all you viewers out there, this was for you.
So I guess I'm not gonna get a piece. Oh shit, he's doing it. Deep throat.
Jair, professional deep throater, and vice president. He is a class 08.
Holy shit.
Yeah, man,
Look at this nigga go.
Sure.
World.
Oh my god.
He is still going, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. That is a deep throat.
That is a very.
So, Dick, what do you think about this?
I'm thinking he can fit me in there, if you know what I'm saying. Because my name is Dick.
You have a small penis.
Oh, yeah! Woo! Guinness World Motherfucking Records. Tell me that. Fuck. That's what she said.
I feel like a new man.
Man gay.
I just ate 6 feet of gum. Holy shit.
Let me see, mom. Nigga can't put it in his mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Why so serious?
You turn, baby.
Yo, I have 6 feet of gum in my mouth. I'm about to make it 12 feet. I got another one.
Holy shit. Hell no, fuck that. No, shut up, nigga.
That won't.
You won't. Mad gay, oh my god.
That's
hey,
like,
shut the fuck up. That look like my cum shot the other day.
This is the biggest thing I've ever had in my mouth. No homo.